Derm Silk Review. Hi, in this video, I will be providing a brief review for Derm Silk. After watching this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you. Year founded. Derm Silk was founded in 2020. Reviews on Trustpilot. Derm Silk have over 2 reviews on Trustpilot with a rating of 2.9 out of 5. It is mark average. A random review on Trustpilot. Kent says, "This honest business. I've submitted 2 reviews that were not good, and this company doesn't post them. To me, that reflects dishonesty. This leads me to believe the ratings are not accurate. I hope this information helps you in deciding whether to buy from this company." Posted on May 28, 2025. Please click the link in the video description or comment section below to visit DermSilk. I try my best to find a pre-applied coupon link so you get the best discount for DermSilk. Go to cjreviewsonline.com/coupon-link-dermsilk.html. The link is in the video description and comment section below. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching this brief review video for DermSilk. May you be happy and successful. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe. Thank you.